News in Italian! Leggiamo insieme gli ultimi titoli in italiano. In this video I will help you make sense of the latest headlines in Italian. Sigla! Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Welcome back to Learn Italian with the News Easy Edition. This first episode of 2025 is even easier than usual. I will help you identify different kinds of news and I will point out the main features of Italian headlines. There is also a question for you at the end of the video. Cominciamo subito! Here are some headlines I selected for you today. Can you group them by topic? On Italian newspapers and websites, these are usually called sezioni, sections topics. ANSA, our national news agency, lists the following sections. Ultima ora, literally, last hour. What has just happened? Breaking news. Sometimes it's written like this, ultim'ora. Cronaca. Well, this is difficult to translate. Cronaca means news stories in general, but it can be narrowed down to crimes, accidents, trials and similar events, big and small. Fatti di cronaca. So, sometimes, cronaca is the same as cronaca nera, crimes, violent acts, while sometimes it includes all kinds of events and even good news. Politica is politics, easy. Economia, economy, business. Mondo, world news, international news. Cultura is culture. It usually includes arts, music, cultural events and entertainment. Sport is sports, of course. In Italy it's mainly football, soccer. There may be other sections depending on the website like scienza, science, viaggi, travel, salute, health, and often there is also motori, news related to cars and motorcycles, a very popular topic in Italy. What is your favorite topic? What are you looking for when you open a news outlet? Politica? Economia? Cultura? Now, let's read our headlines together. Try to identify the topic they belong to. By the way, let me remind you that we have another 20 videos of easy news in Italian in this playlist and many other videos for intermediate and advanced learners, where we listen to the news from Italian TV. It's a great way to enrich your vocabulary, so check them out. The links are in the video description. First headline.
Il presidente Mattarella. Mai come adesso la pace grida la sua urgenza.
President Mattarella. Peace is shouting its urgency like never before. We need peace more than ever. This was part of the end-of-year message from the President of the Republic, Sergio Mattarella. This headline is listed under Politica.
Milano. Divieto di fumo all'aperto per ridurre l'inquinamento.
Milan. Outdoor smoking ban to reduce pollution. This measure, which is already effective, makes it illegal to smoke in the street and in bars and restaurants with outdoor seating. So it's a pretty big deal. We'll see how people take it. What topic do you think this is? Cronaca.
Tutte le strade portano a Roma. 32 milioni di fedeli in arrivo.
All roads lead to Rome. 32 million believers are coming. Did you notice how headlines tend to use very few verbs? These are called nominal sentences. Not 32 milioni di fedeli sono in arrivo, but just 32 milioni di fedeli in arrivo. What topic would you put this headline under? This one actually has its own topic, Giubileo 2025, 2025 Jubilee. It could also be under Vaticano. News about the Pope and Vatican City often have their own section. The Jubilee will last for the entire year, with special events, tours and visits. Rome will be more crowded than ever, so plan accordingly.
Lega Coop. Italiani pessimisti sul 2025. Temono i rincari.
Lega Coop. Italians pessimistic about 2025. Verbs and articles are missing from this headline. This would be: gli italiani sono pessimisti. Lega Coop is a cooperative federation which commissioned a survey. Temono i rincari. Italians fear price increases, are worried about price increases. What is our topic here? Economia. Now, last headline.
Il 500 a Ferrara, eletta miglior mostra 2024.
Il 500 a Ferrara, chosen as best exhibition of 2024. According to an online art journal, Il 500 a Ferrara, an exhibition on 16th century artworks, is the best exhibition of 2024. Hosted in the late Renaissance building Palazzo dei Diamanti, this exhibition is open until the 16th of February. Visit it if you can. Ferrara is a stunning little city with an amazing castle. What topic is this? Cultura, of course. So, what do you think of our headlines? Did you learn new words? Leave me a comment below. In the video transcript on Patreon, you will find links to all these news items, if you'd like to read them in their entirety. There is also additional material with audio and lots of vocabulary for our patrons. And now my question for you. Cosa significa ultima ora? What is the meaning of ultima ora? A, B or C? Write your answer in the comments. Per oggi è tutto. Mi raccomando, resta con me nel 2025. Ci vediamo la prossima settimana su questo canale.